start from the top down and do the major muscle groups, okay? So the first one I'm gonna do is the textbook foam rolling exercise, which is for the thoracic spine, okay? So basically this is the one where I'm gonna get up by my shoulders here. If it's really hurting your neck, you can put one hand behind your head, okay? And just keep the other hand on your chest. Otherwise, you're probably just gonna wanna do something like this so that your arms aren't in the way, okay? So what I don't want you to do is like have your hands on the ground, okay? You want to put all the weight on the foam roller, all right? So tuck your chin in. If it's hurting, just put one hand here. And then I want you to basically, you've got it kind of just under the shoulders here, and you're going to lift your butt, okay? So you're going to put some weight on that roller. And basically, you're just going to start with some gentle up and down rolling, okay? Nothing fancy. A little bit of work required here, okay? I am holding a bit of a bridge position and kind of moving using my feet, but oh, it feels so good. So rolling my middle back here between my shoulder blades, so we can get more specific. So you're gonna get some rhomboids in here, some traps. Oh, it's the most glorious feeling ever. I would usually recommend you spend 30 to 60 seconds, okay? Just depends if you have an issue there or not. But oh, it feels so good. Otherwise, you can count your rolls. Sometimes people will count like 20 reps, okay? If it's easier for you to think numbers versus time, totally up to you. But basically, just gently rolling here. What I don't want you to do is roll past your T12. If you get down here, most people don't have abdominal strength to be able to hold themselves up. So I will show you another way to roll the lower back, okay? But generally speaking, just gonna roll from like thoracic spine, we'll just say bottom of thoracic spine and up to basically the shoulders, okay? So be really careful here, because if you're feeling straining in the lower back, you probably went too low, okay? And you didn't embrace your core. So don't worry too much about that, just roll the upper part of your back, okay? Sometimes I like to go lean a little bit, okay? Oh yeah, it feels so good. And then come back to center and then lean a little bit the other way, okay? Nothing really fancy there. Again, the only risk of injury generally is if you go too aggressively and fall off the foam roller, okay? Or you go too low in the back and you feel straining because you just don't have the strength or you're not engaging in the core, okay? So, part 2, QLs, okay? These beasts right here, okay? Wonderful area to roll here, okay? So basically, I'm just gonna get into my very casual position here. I'm gonna make this even more intense for you. So I have this right on my lower back, okay? So let's just say it started like this, then I leaned off my spine. I don't wanna be on my spine anymore. So I'm just on the lower back, kind of on about a 45-degree angle here, okay? And I'm gonna pick up the leg closest to the ground, cross it into that figure 4. And basically from here, I'm just rolling till I hit about my hip. You won't be able to go much further than that. And then up into my ribs here. Oh, it feels so good. This one, underrated. I think people should be doing QL, stretching and rolling a lot more. Oh, this feels so good. Usually there's a common trigger point in the QL, and if you're really tight there, you can usually find it. You're like, oh God, there it is. Anyway, it feels great. So just gently rolling. Make sure everything you do is controlled. Sometimes I laugh when I see people at the gym and they're like, look, I'm foam rolling. Take it easy, okay? Take it easy. Everything you should do on the foam roller is with intent. So this feels good. Nothing hurts in a bad way. And I'm just gonna roll my QL there. Just make sure whatever you do on one side that you do to the other. Now, I'm purposely going to look away from you to give you a different angle here. My butt, okay. So I'm on the roller here, and again, just rolling. It's not a very big movement, to be quite honest, okay? But oh, it feels so good. You can even hang out here. Just feels great. So that's one way you can get into the lower back here, okay? Oh, glorious QL lower